Shemai! We hope you're enjoying learning Welsh with us. We would like to share some information with you to ensure that you're aware of our policies and you know what steps to take if needed, so that we're able to offer you the best learning experience possible. First of all, we'd like to make you aware of the Financial Contingency Fund. It's possible to receive assistance with costs such as childcare, resources, and travel costs. However, it isn't possible to claim for your course fees through this fund. To check if you're eligible, please go to learnwelsh.com/support/financial-support. Our aim is to provide an excellent service to you, the learner. In order to achieve this, we need to know what you think we do well and where we need to improve. It would be great to know when you have been impressed or pleased with our provision. We can use these examples to share best practice and encourage continuous improvement amongst our staff. We would be very happy to hear these, along with any other suggestions you may have about how we can develop or improve our provision. Please leave your comments in our suggestion box. The link is below. We aim to provide the best possible experience for our learners, but sometimes you may not be entirely satisfied. It's important that we're aware of this so that we can help you in any way we can and so we can improve our services. If you're unable to attend one of your lessons, we would very much appreciate it if you could let your tutor know or contact the Learn Welsh Cardiff team. I will share their details at the end of this film. If your tutor is absent, we will try our very best to organise for one of our other tutors to teach you. If we are unable to do so and need to postpone the lesson, we will let you know by text or email as soon as we can. In the unlikely event of your tutor not arriving after 15 minutes, please take these following steps. If the lesson is between 9 and 5 from Monday to Friday, please contact the Learn Welsh Cardiff team. If the lesson is outside office hours, please contact us on the next working day. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi for watching. We wish you all the very best with your learning. Please remember that our tutors and professional team are all here to support you. So if you have any queries or questions at all, please feel free to contact us. Mwynhewch a hwyl am y tro!